Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the rich and vibrant traditions of the Kikuyu people of Kenya. Join us as we explore the fascinating journey of love, courtship, and marriage within this beautiful culture. Stay tuned and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. In the lush highlands of Kenya, the Kikuyu people have preserved a rich tapestry of traditions that guide their journey from courtship to marriage. This journey begins with Kuhanda Ifiji, a symbolic act that marks the intention to court. It all starts with a young man secretly placing a branch outside the home of the woman he admires. This act, known as Kuhanda Ifiji, signals his intention to court her. If the branch remains untouched by morning, it means the woman and her family are open to the proposal. Next comes the Rurashio, a formal introduction, where the man's family visits the woman's family. This is not yet the engagement, but rather a meeting to express interest and intentions. Gifts are exchanged, and both families begin to get to know each other. If all goes well, the families proceed to the Ngarario, the engagement ceremony. This involves negotiating and paying the bride price, often in livestock or other valuable items. The Ngarario solidifies the bond between the two families and sets the stage for the wedding. Before the wedding, several rituals take place. The bride undergoes Gutiri Hiki, where she receives advice and blessings from elder women. Meanwhile, the groom and his friends might participate in Rurasio Rusini, a symbolic warrior dance to prepare for married life. The wedding day, known as Itara, is a grand celebration filled with music, dance, and feasting. The ceremony is officiated by elders who bless the couple and unite them in marriage. The bride and groom exchange vows, and a traditional Kikuyu meal is shared by all attendees. After the wedding, the couple participates in Ngaragu, a series of post-wedding festivities that last for several days. This period allows the newlyweds to integrate into each other's families and communities fully. Finally, the couple settles into married life, guided by the wisdom and support of their families. They establish their home, often starting with the planting of a mugumo tree, symbolizing the beginning of their new life together. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Kikuyu courtship and marriage traditions. We hope you enjoyed learning about these beautiful customs. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more cultural stories from around the world. Until next time, take care and keep celebrating love and tradition.